Our topic in this video will be ICA, or Immediate Constitutional Analysis. Immediate Constituent Analysis, ICA, is a technique in linguistics used to analyze the structure of sentences and break them down into their constituent parts. Leonard Bloomfield first introduced ICA in his book Language in 1933. Hierarchical levels of ICA. ICA is a sequential binary cutting that occurs at two progressive levels, except in some cases where section in 2, 3 or more points is allowed. Firstly, the sentence is broken down into two phrases. Secondly, phrasal layers are further cut into their successive phrase or constitutional parts. Before we learn how to do IC analysis, we must know about some important terms that we shall be using to label constituents of a sentence during IC analysis. A noun phrase may often consist of a noun with the determiner of an article, an adjective, or a noun alone, or a combination of them all. A verbal or predicate phrase, VP, may consist of a main verb and auxiliary verb. An adjective phrase or adjective may consist of an adjective and a noun. Now, we shall do IC analysis of the sentence. A young girl with an umbrella chased the cat. Firstly, we cut the sentence into two higher LEVL phrases, one noun phrase, NP, and one verbal or predicate phrase, VP. A noun phrase is a phrase which functions as a noun and may contain a noun alone, or an determiner or article, or an adjective with a noun. So the first, a young girl with an umbrella in this sentence is noun phrase NP. And the phrase, chased the cat, is a verb phrase, both its functioning as the verb. Noun phrase, a young girl with an umbrella, consists of another noun phrase, a young girl, and a prepositional phrase, with an umbrella. Noun phrase, a young girl has the constituents as an article, a, and additionally an adjective, young, and. Finally, a noun, girl. The prepositional phrase, an umbrella, contains the constituents as a preposition with, and a noun phrase consisting of an article, and a noun, umbrella. And the predicate or verbal phrase, chased the cat, contains of a verb group, chased, and a noun phrase, the cat. And the verb group, chased, contains the verb, chase, and suffix, ed, representing the past tense. And finally, the noun phrase, the cat, consists of a determiner or article, the, and a noun, a cat. Finally, we have completed the IC analysis of the sentence. IC analysis has both successes and failures in analyzing sentences. Successes: reveals sentence structure. IC effectively breaks down sentences into their constituent parts, showing how they relate to each other. Identifies phrase structures. ICA accurately identifies noun phrases, verb phrases, and other phrase types. Exposes ambiguity. ICA can reveal sentence ambiguities, where a single sentence has multiple possible meanings. Facilitates language comparison. ICA enables comparison of sentence structures across languages. Aids language teaching. ICA helps language learners understand sentence structure and grammar. Failures of ICA. Oversimplifies complexity. ICA may oversimplify complex sentence structures, neglecting nuances and context. Struggles with idiomatic expressions. ICA can struggle to analyze idiomatic expressions, where meaning exceeds the sum of individual words. Struggles with idiomatic expressions. ICA can struggle to analyze idiomatic expressions, where hidden meanings exceed the apparent words. Limited by binary divisions. ICA's binary divisions, for example, noun phrase vs. verb phrase, may not capture more subtle relationships. Difficulties with coordinate structures. A coordinate structure refers to a sentence or phrase where two or more elements, words, phrases, or clauses are joined together using a coordinating conjunction, such as and. For example, I like reading books and watching movies. I see it can struggle to analyze coordinate structures where two elements are joined by and or. Insufficient for semantic analysis. I see it primarily focuses on syntactic structure, leaving semantic meaning and context aside. ICA is a valuable tool for understanding sentence structure, but its limitations highlight the need for complementary approaches to fully grasp the complexities of language.